Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've been shopping on the Lookfantastic website with summer in mind. So this is going to be a haul video. I do these once a month in collaboration with Lookfantastic, who sponsors these videos. I've been doing them now for nearly a year and I absolutely love them. I get to choose the products myself and I always try and look for bargains, something a bit unusual. And it can be makeup, skincare, hair care. I've had period products in the past, foot spas, hair tools. Yeah, loads of different things. And the products I bought for this month's haul, a lot of them are new and there's a few familiars, which if you've been a long-term subscriber to my channel, you'll know why. Find links to everything featured down below in my description. Lookfantastic have given me a code to share with you, which is DiaryLF, and that will entitle you up to 25% off, including everything shown today. And also that code can be used on sale items as well for an extra discount. Offers change daily, so in this video I'll tell you what I purchased these products for. But if you're interested in any of them for yourself, then it might be a little bit more expensive or it might be a little bit cheaper. So let's start then with a perfume. You know I love perfumes. I can't resist perfumes, and this just looks so pretty. It's a new one from Marc Jacobs and this is Daisy Pop limited edition, and I've got 50 mils here. Wait until you see this bottle. I couldn't resist. I had to have a sniff already, and yeah, I do really like it. Now I'm a bit weird. I'm not that keen on the original Daisy. I like it. My daughter's got it and I think, oh, you smell amazing. But for some reason, I don't know, there's something about it that I wouldn't go out and buy it. But I love all the other limited editions off of that, like Daisy Oh So Fresh, the Amber, there's a blue one I've got, Daisy Skies. I have had quite a few different ones in the past, so I had to get this one because the write-up, which I'll tell you a little bit about it now, just sounded exactly me. Isn't that beautiful? My daughter was like, oh, that is really cool. So the recommended retail price for this is £73, but it's currently on sale for £58.40. A bright floral and unexpectedly citrusy scent infused with notes of grapefruit, yuzu violet leaf accords and pamplewood. Haven't got a clue what a pamplewood is, but it just smells so nice. And yeah, that's the first thing I noticed, like straight away. It's like you have a sniff and you think, oh yeah, that familiar Daisy smell, but oh, the fruit! It's just so nice. I don't like overly sweet scents. Oh, I love the smell of the grapefruit in it. This is really, really nice. Definitely a summer scent for me. Yeah, if only you could smell it, your end. But yeah, so I got Marc Jacobs, Daisy Pop. Next up, I've got Isle of Paradise. I love this brand. It's one of my favourite tanning brands. This is Sunny Serum. It's an instant face bronzer. It's a skin perfector and illuminator. And there's 30 mils here. This is a huge bottle. I haven't tried it. It's a new product for me. It retails for £15.95 and it's an instant bronzing serum packed with nourishing skincare ingredients. You can use it as a primer, you can use it alone, or you can mix it with your moisturiser, and you can use it on your body. I was intrigued by this. I thought the price point is quite good, and oh, thankfully not a lot had come out there. And I thought, oh, this would be quite nice. See what this is like. Oh, how is this going to blend into my, oh my gosh, okay. Oh, that is nice actually, look at the difference. One hand has slight hand look to it. My hands though. Yeah, that feels really nice on my skin as well. It's not overly shimmery either. I think that's really nice. I love these sort of instant bronze serums added to foundations, just to give a little hint of a colour. Your skin looks so much better adding something like this to your usual shade of foundation as opposed to changing your shade of foundation. It just doesn't work. But adding something like this, it just gives a nice subtle glow and it sort of blends in well. It looks a lot nicer. So no, really excited to give that a go. Try it on its own, but also in my foundation, so there's that. Now the next product and the product after that is quite similar, but they are different. Bear with me. This I've seen all over social media, and this is L'Oreal Paris Glotion Natural Glow Enhancer, and I've got it in Light Glow 902. I believe it comes in 4 different shades. Again, you can wear it on its own, you can wear it in your moisturiser, you can put it in your foundation and you can apply it to your body. So it is very, very similar to this, whereas this is more of a bronzed look. So to give like a tanned look. This is more sort of following on from my own skin then. My skin, but better. That's what I'm thinking. So I've, yeah, light glow. Look, this would be quite pretty. and like the higher points of my face. I'm not too sure about applying this all over my face, only because I don't like my pores and my fine lines to be accentuated, you know. So what I'm likely to do is to either apply my foundation first, then go in with a sponge and then just tap it into my skin in certain areas, mainly at the top here, you know, just to give a really nice glow. Plus it's a really pretty colour as well to put on my shoulder blades. It's supposed to be long lasting, hydrating. You can't see much on my hand, but yeah, it's really nice. I do really like that. This retails for £11.99. And something similar again, but different. This is Revlon, and this is a serum tint with SPF 15. It contains ginger root, vitamin C and vitamin E, and it's 28 mils there. So this is more like a very lightweight foundation then, you know, something to apply on the skin, but that's going to give a little bit of a cover, a little bit of a tint to my skin. So it's not going to give me a all over bronze glow, and it's not going to give me a highlighted dewy look finish. It's skincare infused makeup. It's a buildable coverage with a soft satin finish. There's 12 shades available on the Lookfantastic website, and I've got it in 213. What is 213? Like natural. I didn't really know what to go for, in all honesty, because this time of year I start using a lot of fake tans. I love gradual tanning sprays for the face. So yes, I wasn't too sure what to go for. So I thought, well, not too pale, not my winter pale. I thought I'd go for something in the middle. So I think that'll be alright, actually. Yeah. I do really like that colour, and that would be nice with a very subtle tan on me. This new serum tint from Revlon, it retails for £14.99. If you'd like to see me test any of these out, then as always, please let me know. My dewy, glowy, bronze looking face for the summer, I have got some concealer to go with it as well. This is a long-standing favourite of mine. It's NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I've got it in shade Creme Brulee Light 2.5. It's just such a great concealer, especially if you're around my age and, you know, your under eyes as good as what they used to, you know. It's a creamy concealer. It's great at brightening and disguising puffiness, and yeah, it's just such a gorgeous product. You only need a tiny bit as well. Not so great at covering spots, in all honesty. I have got a few little spots there. I use by NARS again. It's a potted concealer. The cream is a lot thicker, so I just dab that onto my spots, and that is brilliant. But for under eyes and brightening the face and contouring your face or whatever, then this is great. There's 25 different shades on the Lookfantastic website, and it retails for £26. I'll just add a little bit there. It's long lasting with a medium to full coverage. It can be buildable. So yeah, that's a staple of mine. And to finish off my face, I've gone for SPF, and I've gone for a facial spray SPF, which I always keep in my handbag. This is La Roche-Posay Anthelios 50+, and it's invisible, easily application, water resistant, and it's great for sensitive and oily skins. There's 75 mils here. I apply SPF on my face daily, but if I'm out and about in the warmer summer months, as we're coming into like May, June, July time now, I'll always have one of these in my handbag just to top up throughout the day. SPF only lasts a couple of hours, so you do really need to top up throughout the day, and I notice that if I don't, and if I'm sweating, then that's when pigmentation starts creeping in, and I start seeing darkness developing on my cheeks and my forehead there. So yeah, topping up with an SPF every couple of hours or so, and it's really nice and easy. It feels nice because it's nice and cooling. It's a spray, but yeah, it's just nice and easy to top up and keeping your skin safe. It retails for £17.90, but it's currently on sale for £14.32. So there's that. Next up, I got a shower gel. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. One of my favourite brands of shower gels. I'll just take the wrapper off actually, because you probably might not be able to see it with a light. This is by Korres. It's a Greek brand. It was a toss-up between their pomegranate and their mint. Which one have I gone for? Mint tea. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, SLS-free, vegan, phthalates-free. Yeah, it's a really, really great brand. There's 250 mils here, and it retails for £14. And on the website, there's lots of different scents that you can choose from. I don't think I've ever had the mint tea before. Oh, it's so nice. It's so nice. Yeah, I love it. So yeah, so that's a little shower time treat for me. So going back to one of my favourite tanning brands, I've got another one. I've got a bit of an obsession with fake tan, but this is new for me. I haven't tried this one before. The reason I got it is because it's a clear spray. Can you see there? Clear spray. Read the reviews. Reviews say it's great, and the fact that it's a tanning oil as well, which doesn't make sense because you're not really supposed to mix an oil with a fake tan because they counteract each other. Your fake tan isn't supposed to work, but I'm not an expert. I don't know these things, but it's a dark self-tanning oil mist. And I always get really extremely dry legs, really dry legs. And no matter how much moisturising I do on the bottom legs, when I have a fake tan, my legs seem to be the ones that have the most trouble with the tan looking even. So this might be a really nice top-up sort of spray. I've got an Isle of Paradise. It's a yellow mousse. Is it Express Tan? That is brilliant. That gives me such a gorgeous colour. So, and I've got like Bondi Sands as well, which I really like. So if I were to use that first as a full-on body tan before going away or night out, whatever I want to do, and then I can use this then as like a top-up, like a quick and easy spray top-up in between to keep the tan prolonged and keep my skin looking hydrated, I suppose. We'll wait and see anyway, but it's colour correcting, and yeah, there's 200 mils here, and it retails for £19.95. I follow Jules, the founder of Isle of Paradise, over on TikTok, and he's brilliant. He is so funny, he's so down to earth. It gives you a ton of advice on how to apply to your hands, to your knees, everything. And obviously he talks about the different products that obviously he's created. So yeah, if you're not already following him and you're interested in fake tanning, then yeah, I definitely recommend you go and follow him. So hopefully this will be really nice on my skin. Now the last item I bought that I'm going to show you is a product that I absolutely love. I have been using it consistently since around 2017, 2018, so a good couple of years ago, and I'll continue to purchase it. It's just so good, and it lasts forever. It is a face spray. You know I like my face sprays, but it's an anti-inflammatory one, antioxidant. It's an amazing spray from Neod. Now I call it sod spray. It's superoxide dismutase saccharid mist, and there's 240 mils here. Now this retails for £40, so it is a pricey product, but honestly it's such a good spray and it lasts forever. This is what it looks like. If you've been following me for a couple of years, you've probably seen me mention this a few times, but at the moment I've got about that much left. So when I saw that it was on Lookfantastic, because I'm sure they didn't do it before, because I always look, because obviously I've got a discount code. So if I can use my discount code to buy any products for myself, then why not? But I'm sure, even though Lookfantastic do sell products from Neod, I think this is the very first time that I've seen it on their website, so I snapped it up straight away. This will last me probably around 10 months or more. I'm trying to think now. Probably around 10 months, something like that. It's designed to improve water density and target oxidative stresses. It is amazing if you have any inflammation, on not just on your face, but on your body as well. I use this every morning. As soon as I've come out the shower, wash my face, I come upstairs, our bathroom is downstairs, and while my face is dry then, I spray this all over my face and I spray it all over my chest as well. And then I go straight into hyaluronic acid while my skin is still damp. Same at night. I take off my makeup when my face is completely bone dry. I spray this all over, including my shoulders and my chest again, and then I go on to using my nighttime skincare routine. Actually, it's just sprung to my mind. I might try this on my legs. See if that works on my legs. You never know, it might help. It can be used for all over your body. I think with my code I got about £8 off it. It's a powerful spray that not only helps to hydrate your skin but also provides protection against environmental aggressors. The water-based mist utilises a blend of marine polysaccharides to help visibly smooth rough feeling skin and moisturise. Malachite rock, the ingredient which lends the treatment its turquoise colour, defends the skin barrier, while superoxide dismutase sod nourishes. Complete with extracts from the 4 o'clock flower, the multi-purpose formula works simultaneously to diminish the look of redness and signs of skin ageing. It's my #1 facial mist, and I can't see any other one taking over, so I'm going to continue to purchase it, but you won't see me purchasing another one probably for about another year. And those are all the products that I chose for this month's Look Fantastic Beauty Picks haul with summer ready in mind. So I've got perfumes, so I've got skin protectors, I've got SPF, I've got glowy, dewy, bronzy makeup products. I've got a gorgeous smelling shower gel and a fake tan spray as well. I really love this bundle that I've chosen. I'd love to hear if you've tried any of them. As mentioned at the start, if you're interested in any of these for yourself, find links to them down below in my description. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.